Hey everybody, this is Scott. I hope you're doing all right out there. Today I'm going to do a detailed concept sketch. This is the kind of sketching that I would use if I had a good idea of where I wanted to go, but I wanted to figure out the details and solve some problems before I went on to a final rendering or a 3D model. I'm going to sketch a vintage toy tractor using a digital sketching app and a stylus. In this case, I'm using Procreate, but you could use any digital app that works for you, like Photoshop or Clip Studio. And here we go. I like to start with boxes, so I can position the major forms and figure out the perspective and positioning and scale. I also like to use photo reference. This could be a mood board, it could be an image search, or just some photographs I took while I was out wandering around the world. These reference images help me build a visual language, or in other words, they help me figure out what things I need to include so people recognize that it's a vintage tractor. When you're sketching out your ideas, remember it's okay to be sketchy. Give yourself a lot of room to be creative, communicate clearly, and then remember you can always go back and clean up later. The first sketch is done, so I reduced its opacity by about 50% and started a new layer for a new, more refined sketch on top of it. This is a great place to take a break and reset your brain. When you come back, you want to have a good idea of what you want to keep in your original drawing and a little bit of a plan about where you want to go next. The second layer is where I refine my concept. I change the things that I think could look better and I add in more detail. I also clean up the sketch. I smooth out the lines and make sure that everything is clearly defined. There's the finished sketch. Now it's ready for the next phase of the design process. For this design, that's going to be a rendering, which I'll have in a video for you next week. Thanks all, take care of yourself, and I will see you soon.